Hey mom and sir, my name is Marisa Natividad Tio. I'm 39 years old, incorporated. I'm from Philippines. I have 3 kids. Ages are 23, 21, and 11. I have work experience in Saudi Arabia for almost 5 years. I serve a couple with their 8 kids. Ages are 2, 5, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and newborn baby. My duties are cleaning, washing, washing, and also clean the whole house. I have work experience here in Hong Kong. I take care 1 year and 3 months babies, but my employer terminate me because she want to stay in China for a long time. She have a business in Hong Kong. That's why she terminated me. Thank you and God bless.